Hello, welcome with Cooking with Jamie. Here I am lighting the griddle so it can preheat for 10 minutes because it is cast iron. The temperature should be set on high or medium high on the griddle. Here I am coating the griddle with oil so the pancakes will not stick. Here I have a mixing bowl where I'm going to mix up the pancake batter so it's prepared so I can put it in the griddle. Now follow the directions on the box of how much pancake mix you should use with how much water. I did the most batter because we have a big family. Here I am adding the water to the batter, and then I'm going to mix it up with a mixer so it's blended good. I'm just mixing it up with a mixer until it's blended good and all the lumps are out. So you want to start out with a hot griddle so your pancake mix will bubble on the griddle. You want to make sure you have enough oil on it, otherwise they will stick. I just use a ladle. It's a fourth of a cup ladle, so I get an accurate amount of pancake batter in the griddle. So continue cooking them until they start to bubble around the edges. Then take your spatula and check to see if they are browned on the bottom. Once they are golden brown on the bottom, you can flip your pancake. Sometimes you have to gently scrape them on the bottom to get them off the. Sometimes they stick too much. And then I flipped them and you just let them go for a little bit longer until they're brown on the other side, and then take them off and put them in my pancake pile. The ladle works really good because it gives you the exact amount of the pancake that you need instead of trying to pour it out of the bowl and making a big mess. Thanks for watching Cooking with Jamie. Just remember, if I can do it, you can do it.